Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
ToolMonster review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this software called ToolMonster. So this is the ToolMonster review, and right now we are on the sales page and then we have the demo video. So we'll start with the demo video. I need a break. So this is only like 90 seconds long video. So I will play the video, okay? And it has a background music, so I have muted the video already. So just watch the video and then I will be right back after 1 minute and 27 seconds. So you will be able to make me understand what you have learned from this video. So here you go. I'll shut up and then I'll be back. Oops, it's done. Okay, so I hope you were able to understand what are you going to buy. Looks like there are a lot of tools. Okay, you're getting some videos and some logo editor and God knows what else, right? So the only thing I want to tell you is everything is available for free on the internet. Okay, so if you want unlimited videos, you can go to this website called upsells.com, and from where you can download these copyright free images, videos, audios. It's my bad, it's Pexels, so I removed the S. Try that again. Pexels.com. This is the website. You come here and you can search for maybe cat, right? If you want cat here, or Katarina. So if you want some cats, you can see the photos. These are photos. You can click on videos here and you can get 1.3 cat videos, or you can type in any name here, okay? So from this Pexels.com, from Shutterstock, from Pixabay, you can go and get all these videos for free, okay? And other tools they were talking about, what other tools? Let me see here. We're talking about some age calculator, I guess, or some PNG to JPG converter. Whatever converter you saw inside the demo, everything is available for free on the internet. All you have to do is just go on to Google here, maybe type in convert PNG to JPG. You see here, so you enter and you go on any of these websites and you can convert your PNG to JPG. So whatever tools you see here in the demo video, everything is available on Google for free. Okay, so don't worry, you don't need to buy this technically, because what does it say here? Attention, never seen before, mind-blowing set of 122 plus tools at a low one-time price. Get 122 plus burning hot web-based tools to automate your daily business work, boost your business efficiency, save your time and 10 times your quality in just a few steps. Taps. Okay, I'm sleepy. It supports multi-language, making it easy to customize the language you want. I just do not understand the base. What is the logic of such a software to exist? Why is it made? Why is it existing? Why do we need this? And something unnecessary, we don't need this involved, okay? So 120 plus web tools on one dashboard. It's not on, it's in one dashboard, I guess. Okay, these many to have tools in one dashboard. Automate your daily work, automate updates with no extra installation hassles. 100% fully AI based cloud platform. 120 plus services that you can sell to whom? Millions of stock images which you can get free from pexels.com. Get premium training. Well, the premium training was this 1 minute 27 seconds. That's your premium training, and without anybody talking in the background. That's your premium training, okay? And millions of stock videos. I have shown you how to get them free, beginner friendly, step by step, and we are done with the sales page. This is what is this? HTML decode, website management tools, JSON editor. What will you do with all these tools? Okay, everything can be done for free, right? Let me see. Let me show you actually. Convert, right? Convert free. There you go. You go and try these websites and they will help you for free. Okay, so you don't need any of this. Okay, this is coming from Warrior Plus. That's the point. So let me get to the bottom of the sales page, and then I'll give you 2 more reasons why you need to go and not to buy this and save your money, because if you don't buy this, you will save your money, right? So what are the FAQs here? We have some FAQs. Do I need experience for what? For what? What do we need experience here for what? For what? I mean, you are giving us some tools. That's it. So what do we need experience for? I mean, what is the claim here? What claim are you trying to make here? That you will get rich if you buy this? Money back guarantee, 30 days, step-by-step training. Yes, you have 87 seconds training here. Okay, 87 seconds training, that's premium. How are you different from available tools? Copy, paste, bullshit. Does your software work easily on Mac and Windows? It does. Do you provide any support? They have this training. How many times do I tell you? They have 87 seconds training. Premium. And we are done here. So go and buy and lose your money, okay? 2 reasons why you should not buy this. First reason is that it's launching on this website called warriorplus.com, and you are not supposed to buy any software from this Warrior Plus because they are low quality garbage software which are not supposed to exist in this world. And second reason is, click on the profile here and check the recent or all the ratings of his products in the past. You have 15 products here and almost 7,000 sales, but the rating here is 1.85 out of 5 stars. 1.85 out of 5, that means bad. Don't buy, okay? Garbage. So you're paying for garbage, you'll be buying garbage. The OTOs. Front end will give you this. OTO 1 is this, OTO 2 is this, OTO 3 is this, 4 is this. That's it, right? So here you have the pricing. $17 to start with. Then unlimited what? What unlimited? I don't know what unlimited. 27 Pro, Bro, Reseller. Okay. So there were, I guess, 3 OTOs, whatever, okay. Technically, I don't know, why would you buy this? Who will buy this? And why will it be, why does it have to be sold? Everything is available for free on the internet anyway. All those videos, images, tools, converters, everything is available for free on Google. So maybe God bless you. If you are not watching my video and you're paying for this, then you are, you have been conned, okay? So you have been conned, ToolMonster, shit monster, okay? So I guess this is something, again, this should never have been created, launched, or made, okay? And they were saying you can make money with this, were they, or did they not say this? Let me see. Oh, did they say that you can make money with this? I don't know, right? Oh my god, yes, you can make money with this. You see here, paying money. Anyway, so if you are here to make money online, then don't buy this, okay? This will help you with something, but you don't need it. This is, again, everything available on the internet for free. If you are here to make money online, just do what I do. Go below my YouTube video and check out this thing called Make Money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on the internet for the rest of your life without selling anything, without buying anything, okay? So in Traffic Jarvis, you will learn how to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours for your YouTube channel and get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days. And you need to do that because you must have seen some ads in my YouTube video right now. So these ads make me money without having to sell you anything, and I can make my money just by uploading these videos every day. So if you want to make money on YouTube without hassle, without depending on anybody else, just you want to go and upload videos, make money, then go and check out Traffic Jarvis. And also we'll talk about how you can make money with email marketing. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. We as YouTubers, we cannot subscribe to ourselves, okay? I am not recording my videos to show myself. Are you getting the point? This video is not for me, it's for you. I already know what to buy, what not to. So these people are for you people because you are on the other end. The same way, I cannot subscribe to my own channel. That's the reason the subscribe button is for you people. You have to click that button, hit the red subscribe button, like the video, press the bell notification. Everything is free. Subscribe is free, like is free. Do that. It's for you. At least get that in your head. It's not for me. If this subscribe button was for me, then I don't have to ask you to go and click on that button, right? Are you getting it? It's not for me. That button is for you, so you have to help yourself. Hit that. Free, okay? And if you want to leave your super thanks or colorful comments, you can hit the super thanks button and contribute if you like my reviews. Even if you don't like, you have to contribute. It's your job, okay? Now here I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis and with email marketing. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.